what's up guys, JellyScrub here. Today we're making some muffin melts. So first we're going to need some English muffins. We're going to need some tomato sauce. And we're going to need some cheese. I got some mozzarella and also some just tasty cheddar. But you can do any cheese that you want. First things first, you want to get out your English muffin and slice it open. Now this bad boy's open, we want to dab on a little bit of tomato sauce. If you prefer sweet chili, you can dab some of that on, but now we just got to spread out this sauce. Once our sauce is spread out, time to add the cheese. Once we got ourselves some cheese, time to slap this bad boy in the grill for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how long you want it to be melted and cooked for. I do about fan force with the grill, but around 160 degrees should do well, and we'll come back and check on these in a bit. Cheese is starting to melt, so it's starting to need a few more minutes. I reckon these bad boys are done, so we just turn it all off, take it out, and we should be good to go. And just like that, we have ourselves 2 muffin melts. If you want some more memey videos, be prepared, we got more in the pipeline. Make sure you like and subscribe down below so you can get notified when more of this weird stuff happens.